how to report a problem on your uh, cake application. In this video, guys, I will tell you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. Now, and first you have to open your cake application like this. After this, come to your profile. Right now on your profile, come here to your settings at the top of the screen and scroll down and go to report problem. And here you will report them by sending them like an email or Gmail. You will send them Gmail and you will tell them that you have a problem in the application. Then the support of this application, they will answer you and fix your problem. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next